we go like that. Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's Brownstone here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have yet another makeup review slash tutorial for you guys. I went ahead and did my base already just because I used the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation and I had already did a tutorial using this in my last video. So I'm gonna put that in the description box below if you guys haven't had a chance to check that out. But today I have yet another Colourpop collection that they sent me to try out before they drop it. By the time I drop this video, of course, though, it's gonna be out. So let's just go jump right into that. So the collection that they sent me is the Wild Nothing collection. So they sent me the whole thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all everything that I got. So first things first is the Wild Nothing eyeshadow palette. I think this eyeshadow palette's cute. It's a lot of palettes that look like this on the market, but it's really cute just for like an everyday look. I have had the chance to play around with it. I do like how pigmented it is. Pigmented, I think I said that right. Pigmented it is, but it's just, it doesn't really like wow me like that. But I do like it just because it's just like the basic everyday new colors that you can wear for an everyday look. So I do like that. So there's the eyeshadow palette. They also come, the Wild Nothing collection also comes with 3 blushes. So here's this pink one, and this is called On the Horizon. And then here is this orangey shade, and this is called Wayfarer. And then they also have this one called Crossroads. Naturally, I'm just not like a blush person anyways. These colors I don't think would look good on me anyways, just because I think I'm a little too dark for these shades, especially that pink shade. The only one I can see myself probably wearing is Crossroads, but I'm not a blush person, so I'm gonna kind of stay away from it. But they are really cute colors. And then they also sent me some cream shadows as well. And this collection is just a very like nude based collection. So all of the cream shadows are just like nudes and browns. So that's really cute as well. I've never used cream shadows, so this would be interesting to use. I don't think I'm gonna use it in this tutorial today, but just to show y'all that this is a part of the collection as well. And then they also sent me some jelly shadows. I was actually very excited about these. I really like this pinkish color right here. If I end up doing more than one look, I'll probably end up using this as well. And then lastly, they have 5 lip oils that is a part of this collection. My favorite is the clear, and then this nudish pink right here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just like do the tutorial and then give y'all more thoughts about this. But yeah, that is the whole Wild Nothings collection that they just dropped basically. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and jump into the Wild Nothing eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be using that ashy pink nude shade in the shade Vagabond. I think that's how you pronounce it. And that's an interesting name, Vagabond. Alright then, well, that's what they named it. So I'm just going to put that all over my eyelids. This is just going to be a basic, quick, and easy everyday look. This is what I've been doing for the past few days as well. And this shade, I really like this shade because it reminds me of this other shade I had in the ABH palette. And I just like went through it so quick because it was like my everyday look. So I definitely love this. I love how pigmented it is as well. So yeah, I'm just putting it all over my lids. And now I'm going to be going in with that brown shade, and it is called No Bounds. And I'm just applying that in my outer corners. I'm kind of going diagonal in a sense, just to kind of accentuate my eye shape. So yeah, I'm just applying that, and then I'm just going to be buffing it out as I go. And And I just want to talk about the eyeshadow palette a little bit more, just to give my opinion on it while I'm doing my eye makeup, because it's just so quick and easy. And then this video is shorter compared to all my other videos as well. The Wild Nothing collection altogether, it's a cute nude collection. I love nude, so I really didn't have a problem with that. But this palette didn't really like wow me the way I would want it to. It was very pigmented, like I said earlier, and I never really have a problem with that with Colourpop shadows. Like, they're all very pigmented, so I do like that. But again, it's just like we've seen this before, so it just didn't, you know, it didn't stand out really. So I will give it like a 6 out of 10 if anything. But I really do like that ashy nude pink shade right there. Like, I love that shade. I don't know why, but I just think it looks really good on me. But other than that, yeah, it's a cute palette for sure. So yeah, that's my opinion on it. So y'all know, for me, a look is not done until I apply some eyeliner and lashes. So I did that off camera. And now onto lips to finish off this look. I am using the Lux lip oil in the shade Skinny Dip. This is my first time using a lip oil, so it's not a lip gloss. It doesn't feel like that. It doesn't have like that shiny look like a lip gloss, or that stickiness like a lip gloss as well. And it's not a chapstick. It's kind of like a happy medium between the two of them. I love how lightweight it was. It had my lips feeling very soft, so I do really like that. This shade didn't really show up on my lips, but I'm not really surprised by that, because a lot of shades don't really show up on my lips that much. But overall, I did really like the feel of this lip oil. So there is the finished look, my everyday look using the Wild Nothing palette. Very easy to do as well, so y'all can definitely try it for yourself. So this was my first look that I did, and I wanted to do a second look, like a real quick look, using one of the jelly shadows. So at first I was gonna use that yellow gold looking shade, but I changed my mind because I really like that pinkish, that pink shiny shade more than that one. So it is the Mystical Jelly Mud shadow that I'll be using. And I never really used jelly shadows beforehand, so this is like my first time. It was very easy to use. I just glided it over my eyelids. I really could have just used my fingers instead of a brush, but I just ended up applying it with the brush. So yeah, I'm just putting that all over my lids right now. And of course, I am just reapplying my eyeliner. One day I'm gonna do a look without eyeliner, but I just love the way it makes my eyes look. So of course, yeah, I'm just reapplying that, and then I'll be applying my lashes off camera as well. But overall, with the jelly shadow, I actually really like it. It felt like a good way to dress up a look. Like, if you're going from day to night look, it felt like a good way to dress it up. Add a little razzle dazzle to it if you must. So overall, I would give the Jelly Mud shadows an 8 out of 10. So I do like that. And then onto lips to finish off this look. I am using the Lux oil in the shade Bengal, and it's like a hot pink maroonish shade. Maybe not maroonish, but I can't think of the color, but it's like at the tip of my tongue. But anyways, I applied that one because it had like a little bit more color to it, a little more pigmented. And this one showed up a little bit more than the other one that I tried out first. And I actually really like this one better than the first lip oil that I had tried. So yeah, I'm just finishing up the look with that. And here is the second and final look I did using the Wild Nothing collection from Colourpop. It is out now if y'all want to check it out yourselves. But please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all thought, and I will see you guys in my next video.